Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 on VirtualBox 6.1. Make sure that you are updated to the latest version of VirtualBox. VirtualBox 6.1 is the currently available latest version. So now I am going to create one Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 is the latest update from Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 series. So I'm creating one virtual machine and I'm allocating some RAM to this virtual machine. Also, and I am creating one dynamically allocated virtual hard drive to this Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. Yes, so VM is created. Now right click settings. So pointing device will be USB tablet. So I am unchecking the floppy. So optical drive will be the first one to be get booted. So in boot order, optical drive will be first one. Processor I allocated 4 core. Storage I am selecting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 DVD ISO file, which I have downloaded from Red Hat Enterprise Linux website. So these are all the settings for this Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 VM. So let me start the virtual machine so that we can get Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 to be installed on VirtualBox 6.1. So install screen is started. So English will be the default language. So date and time I am giving accordingly to my location. Software selection will be server with guy. So installation destination I am selecting. Yes, so now let us begin the installation. So provide the root password, and also I have created one login user. So installation is done. I have powered off the virtual machine. So right click the settings. So from boot order I am unchecking the optical drive. So only from hard drive OS will be get booted. Next I am going to add one more optical drive in storage. So now I am browsing the VirtualBox guest edition.iso file to that optical drive. So two optical drives, that is one is VirtualBox guest edition.iso DVD, another one is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 DVD ISO file. So two optical drives will be mounted on this virtual machine. Yes, so we are logged in successfully. So let me adjust the screen resolution first so that we can see the installation in widescreen. Yes. Now I'm going to install the VirtualBox dependent packages. So these are the RPM packages required by VirtualBox guest edition software. So all the RPM packages are available in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 DVD file itself. So from DVD I am installing directly. So login as a root user in the terminal. So in a single shot I am going to install the RPM packages. So these are all the RPM packages. Around 6 packages required by VirtualBox guest edition software in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So dependent packages installation is completed. So now let us start to install the VirtualBox Guest Edition software, which is mounted in another DVD. So right click, open terminal. So login as a root user. So I'm going to execute this command /vbox linux editions.run. So this will install the guest edition software in Red Hat. Yes, so guest editions installed successfully now. Now I am going to power off this machine. Now I am going to power off this machine and I am going to enable share clipboard and drag and drop feature. So I have powered off this Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So right click, settings, so general, advanced. So share clipboard I am selecting bidirectional, drag and drop I am selecting bidirectional. So rest of the settings will be remain same. Now once again I am start the operating system. Yes. So everything is fine now. Now what I'm going to do is I open the terminal and I'm going to type some commands in this terminal. So after typing, I'm going to copy paste the output of this commands to the Windows host machine. So from Red Hat Linux to Windows, I'm going to copy this terminal output. Let us see whether it's working or not. So I am selecting everything. Right click, copy. And I'm going to paste in Windows host machine. Yes, so it's working fine. From Red Hat to Windows host machine, I can able to copy paste. Let me check from Windows to Linux. I am copying this simple command. And I am going to paste in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. Yes, so I can able to paste from Windows to Red Hat Linux 7.8. So share clipboard feature is working very fine. Now let us check drag and drop feature. So I am going to drag and drop one file from Windows host machine to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 virtual machine. So I am dragging and drop one file. Yes, it is successful. So successfully I can able to drag and drop. Next step is I am going to drag and drop from Linux to Windows. So I am going to drag and drop this file from Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 to Windows machine. Yes, successful. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.8 installation on VirtualBox 6.1 with guest edition software is successful.